Hai guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Buat kamu yang baru menemukan channel Mam Abil, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen. Dan jangan lupa aktifkan lonceng notifikasinya ya guys, agar kamu gak ketinggalan video terbaru dari channel ini. Buat kamu yang sudah subscribe, like, share, dan komen, thank you ya guys. Semoga kalian sehat selalu. Jadi di video kali ini Mam Abil mau mencoba bakso Malang enggal. Langsung aja yuk guys, kita tonton videonya. Selamat menonton.
A few moments later.
Hai guys, selamat sore. Jadi terima kasih ya buat teman-teman yang sudah mengklik video Mam Abil. Jadi di sore hari ini kita akan makan bakso yang lokasinya ada di depan Kambang Iwa. Ini di kota Palembang ya guys. Jadi sistemnya ini kita prasmanan, jadi kita ambil sendiri menu apa yang kita suka ya. Jadi di sini mereka nggak hanya bakso yang dijual ya, ada nasi uduk, ada nasi ayam geprek, dan ini macam-macam menunya tuh ya. Ada bakso halus, bakso urat, bakso goreng. Langsung aja guys kita tonton videonya, ikutin Mam Abil ambil menu yang ada di bakso Malang ini ya guys. Untuk harganya ini mulai dari harga 5 ribuan ya sampai dengan harga 15 ribuan. Ini toppingnya banyak banget ya guys ya, dan di sini juga ada mie ayam. Ada mie yamin manis, mie yamin pedas, dan mie yamin original. Di sini juga banyak banget macam-macam ya guys, somai, pangsit. Nah ini ya guys ya, dan mie-nya mulai dari harga 3 ribuan ya, mie kuning dan mie putih. Buat kamu yang belum subscribe channel Mam Abil, jangan lupa subscribe dulu ya. Lanjut lagi kita tonton videonya. Terima kasih buat kamu yang sudah subscribe.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Ini pesanan Papa Abil ya guys, ayam geprek. Ini ayamnya kayak ayam katsu gitu ya, dilumurin dengan tepung. Ini Mam Abil pesan bakso dan pesan bakso gorengnya ya. Ini kita kasih dulu jeruk ya, jeruk kecil.
Warming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back.
Ini Mama Abil pilih bakso urat ya guys. Ini bener-bener kenyal banget dan full daging banget ini dalamnya ya guys.
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night.
Ini tahu isi ya guys, tapi ini isinya bukan bakso ya guys. Lebih ke rasanya itu kayak cilok ya guys ya, nggak full daging tuh. Mungkin ini ayam aja ya, bukan daging sapi ya guys ya.
You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait.
Sekarang Mom Abil mau cobain bakso gorengnya. Tuh lihat guys, ini kenyal banget nih. Ini berasa banget ya ayam ya, bukan daging sapi untuk bakso gorengnya. Ini super lembut banget di dalam, tapi di depannya crispy. Jadi di luarnya crispy, di dalamnya tuh lembut banget. Ditambah lagi kita cocol nih dengan sambalnya, makin sedap ya guys ya.
Are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Oke guys, mungkin untuk kulineran di sore hari ini sampai di sini dulu ya. Terima kasih buat kamu yang sudah menonton dari awal sampai akhir. Jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen. Jangan lupa aktifin lonceng notifikasinya ya. Thank you, bye.